Good evening, everyone. It's a tremendous honor to be recognized tonight by SPR in the analytical and IoT category. My sincere thanks to the panel of judges, to validate in our missions. I actually wanted to express my deepest gratitude to all my clients. You are more than just partners. Over the years, many of you have become true friends, and thank you for your unwavering support, the trust that you actually place in me. Most importantly, is my team in Power Technologies, and some of them, they are here, but some couldn't make it. But I still want to thank them for all the support and the creativity that they have actually put into the company that make this a success. So you guys are the engine behind this success, and I'm privileged to actually work with such a great team. Lastly, all the fellows winners, congratulations. It's an absolute thrill to share this stage with the architects of innovators. Thank you so much, and once again, thanks for this prestigious recognition. Thank you, everyone.
In a critical utility infrastructure, the move from reactive to predictive intelligence is no longer optional. It's a requirement for grid resilience. Our AI-driven partial discharge solutions functions as a high-fidelity diagnostic layer. By deploying deep learning algorithms, we can actually distinguish between benign background noise and specific, so-called spectra signature of installation breakdown with accuracy. This actually allows us to predict assets failure months in ahead, and in a critical early stage, it will actually serve as an indicator for any installation degradation. With the deduction of the downtime by providing real-time diagnostic data and auto condition assessment. So actually operators can intervene during planned windows rather than responding to emergency outage. So actually it does save significant costs and extend the operational life of high voltage assets like switchgear and transformer. We can essentially see the utility business model from a crisis management to asset optimization, effectively eliminating the high cost of volatility of all unplanned outages. So for years, industry-wide bottleneck for IoT has been the logistical nightmare of power management and battery maintenance. We have actually solved this by engineering sensors that salvage the energy directly from the primary conductor they monitor, so creating a true self-sustainable ecosystem. So by utilizing the advanced energy harvesting, especially within our PTS sensor line, our sensor actually power themselves directly from the electrical environment, entirely eliminating the needs for any external power source or any chemical batteries. So this maintenance-free design ensures a decade or more of continuous operation life without manual intervention. This is a critical safety advantage for sensors deployed in high-risk or inaccessible areas. So ultimately, what we can see is that by removing batteries from the equation, we eliminate a lot of hazardous waste and the risks associated with manual inspection, aligning perfectly with the global ESG mandates. So unlike conventional systems that capture only isolated variables and statistic snapshots, our integrated solutions leverage AI analytics and energy harvesting to deliver a level of so-called the holistic perception that standalone monitors simply cannot be replaced. We move beyond the single matrix by simultaneously collating partial discharge, humidity, temperature data to provide a comprehensive 360-degree health profile of the assets. This transition from raw data to actionable intelligence allows our AI integrate platform to identify complex patterns and anomalies that human operators might miss. So furthermore, by utilizing energy harvesting, we ensure perpetual operational continuity, eliminating the maintenance gaps and offline risks inherent in any traditional battery-powered system. This will provide a constant vigilance and require for mission-critical infrastructure. Winning the Excellent Awards in 2026 is a pivotal milestone for power technologies. This award affirms our company's success in moving beyond simple data collections to provide high values, actionable insight through AIs. Also positioned as a leader in sustainable innovation, the intersection of the high-end technological excellence and environment responsibility. So securing recognition from a prestige body like Singapore Business Review serves as a global seal of approval. It actually helped to reinforce the operation credibility with our international partners, our clients, placed in our mission-critical solution. Ultimately, this recognition fuels our momentums as we transition towards a new era of intelligence, self-healing infrastructure, and we are dedicated to scale AI-driven solution to protect energy networks and empower a more resilient global utility landscape.